guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Khadija here. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back to another video. For this video, we will be working with DSoar Hair, and this unit is actually a 4x4 Deepwave, and the length on this one is actually 22 inch with a density of 180%. And this is it. It came pre-plucked. Pretty much everything was done to it. All I did was wash it, and this is it. Now if you want to get this wig, the link is in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the install. As y'all know, I do not wear wig caps with my closure unit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put a wig grip strap on, and then we install our wig. But yeah, I do not wear wig caps with my closure wigs. So now that we have our wig grip strap on, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of foundation to my lace before we install it. But this is what our lace is looking like without the foundation. Just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of foundation. All right guys, so we got a brand new lace. This is what our lace is looking like with the foundation on. Nice medium brown lace. Yeah, now this we can work with. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig, but the link for this unit is in my description, and use my special code to get your discounts, okay? And I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Okay guys, so this is what our wig is looking like now that we put it on. This is it. It looks cute, but it needs a little bit of tweaking. So we're about to install the wig using our Even Wonder Lace Bond glue. I found this glue and I am in love with it. This is it. Just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Alright guys, so I just finished gluing my wig and this is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig, but this is what it's looking like. It's completely laid. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I decided I was gonna get creative, and this is it. You guys have seen me do installs over and over and over again, so I decided to do something different today, and this is what I came up with. It is super cute, super simple. This is it. Overall, my wig quality is perfect. Like, it is silky. It did not take long to curl, first of all, and it melts perfect. This is it. The quality of this wig is really good. This is it. It is super soft. It's not dry, but it still has a little body. It's still giving volume. This is it. Super, super soft. This is it. I love how these curls came out. They're not too tight. They're just perfect. It's super silky. I love that. This is it. And this wig is from DSoar Hair, and this is their 22-inch 4x4 Deepwave wig. This is the finished look, guys, and I am in love with this wig. The quality of this wig is very, very, very good. This is it. I really do love how soft it is. It's curled, it's silky, it's laid. You cannot ask for more, so go ahead and make your purchase by clicking the link in my description and use my special code to get your discount. And I forgot to tell you guys that I actually received a bonnet and some eyelashes, so make sure you use my code so that you can get your gifts in your box. This is what my wig is looking like. This is it. This is it. It is super, super soft. This is it. So this is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this wig. If you try this wig, go ahead and tag me on my Instagram. My tag is down below. Also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in another video.